Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate fruits in Blox Fruits. It's important to understand that legitimate fruit duplication is not an official feature within the game. Any methods you might encounter claiming to duplicate fruits are typically scams or exploits. Engaging with such activities can put your account at significant risk, potentially leading to a permanent ban. Always prioritize your account's safety by avoiding unofficial tools or websites that promise easy gains. The game's design emphasizes fair progression and a balanced player experience. Allowing fruit duplication would severely disrupt the in-game economy and undermine the effort players put into acquiring these valuable items. Fruits are intended to be earned through legitimate gameplay, such as purchasing from dealers or finding them in the world. The developers consistently work to identify and patch any exploits, ensuring the game remains fair for everyone. Instead of seeking unofficial methods, focus on the many legitimate ways to acquire fruits. You can purchase them from the Blox Fruits dealer or the dealer cousin. Additionally, fruits spawn under trees on various islands approximately every 1 hour, offering a free opportunity. Defeating powerful sea beasts and raid bosses also provides a chance to earn fruits. Finally, trading with other players is a great way to get specific fruits you desire. To ensure your continued enjoyment and safety in Blox Fruits, always prioritize your account security. Never share your login credentials with anyone, regardless of what they promise. Be extremely cautious of any third-party websites or applications claiming to offer free fruits or duplication services. If you encounter suspicious activities or players, report them to the game moderators. Play fairly, follow the rules, and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.